first leg of the trip. I guess this will be part 2. The first leg of the trip was on our way to Ocherias, but we're not taking that direction anymore home. We are driving St. Mary's Inn home.
Pay attention to my messaging.
There's a blessing awaiting you over there, and all your stressing, they will quickly disappear. Whoa.
Every day I wanna see this. Every day I wanna see this.
Every day them to the computer screen.
Okay, look at this. Look at your country. This is Jamaica.
Coral Cove.
All inclusive hotel in there? Or just
I'm not
spots?
sure. Edgewater. These houses are gorgeous. There's a very rich people live at St. Mary.
At the border, St. Mary and St. Anne, so near Ocherias, so
Tourist it. Give it a tourist vibe. Paisley.
not far from Ocherias, so like a beach in
Note it. Rear Nova.
Renova.
Look like Africa moved to the country, my lord. Yeah, it seem more peaceful, less noisy.
What beaches Ocherias are near St. Mary?
Just says the border.
You know what, done water on near St. Mary?
I don't know.
That's the one there.
I don't know, my darling.
If I use St. Anne within there, it's supposed to be on a Ocherias.
You know, maybe it's a change of location so them keep the name. I don't know. Them have nice roads though. I like Kingston Bumpy Road.
Yeah, most of them road there, most of the roads them,
Oh, yeah.
the interior.
Right, the tourist strip, no?
So the interior, yeah. So
Bosco Bell.
one of the best place though is Ian Fleming International Airport.
Oh.
So that was our third airport. It's not really.
Oh.
The one where there are some days are airdrome, so I don't think international flights are.
Gibraltar escape, guys. We just passed it. It was supposed to be one of our destinations for anniversary, remember?
James Bond Beach.
Where is that? Where you see James Bond Beach? Jack's River. Giant Christmas tree. Oh, then get time for bridge up the salt, decorate that. Approaching. Anyway, can't miss no adventure sites in the arena. Hi, kids. So we're in Whitehall. It is. We need to carry some of these roads to Kingston though. We need to find a way to just lift it off. Whitehall.
Here are them. Urban areas. Surface type or something. Are they investing at the brick?
Brick roads.
Yeah.
Kingston have more traffic from wash up the roads.
I think one of the biggest problem with Kingston Road though is water, the drainage. I think our beat them wicked. Drainage, man. Like drainage, I'm sure if you have good drainage, you will probably last longer. Or better drainage, I should say.
Is you didn't get the pot roast beef for the Christmas dinner?
No, mommy sees me. It's a passenger, I should try.
So you're going to show me?
I want to try.
So after
We
you
can't
try
show
it,
We can't
and
show you.
after you try it and it come out right, then you
When you
show
know
me.
what I come on, we can't make it.
It not gonna come out right. You ever make anything it don't come out right?
Of course.
What?
Cook chickpeas I never come out good.
Me cook chickpeas and it don't come out good the first time.
What?
But when we did cook chickpeas the first time, it never come out good.
But you just make a steam into all of it, none of it come out good.
Yeah, alright, good. Alright, point taken. It might don't come out good. So you just try again the next time.
Yeah, somebody else know for coconut to chill.
Coconut dirt. Like dirt. As far as the eyes can see is coconut tree. You see that, Mama? As far as the eyes can see, coconut trees. Smell the Sonic dinner, smell up the whole place. Or it's a cook shop. Either way, it smells be nice. St. Mary's Farm. Oh. We are it down the one for. It says St. Mary's known for bananas. That's the bit you guys are getting to see. We are at, what you say? Junction. It mash up. They're working on the road. Watch them 3 car there. I'll try to get first place. This look like an accident waiting to happen anytime soon. Oh. Look at how the road narrow, guys. Me and Junction just know. A car coming and 2 of us going past. And so I know I'm not going to answer that. Get that speech out of my mouth. How come all of us passing? And look how narrow the road is.
I want to speak up to that in the middle of that.
I need stop it. Stop it, Malware. What another vehicle. You're pushing it. Oh, it's raining. I'm wet. Duh, it must be wet. One little is up here, sir. One little inn, hotel inn, something is. Oh my! I want to the brother that come up so well. Go so far. Please be with us on the rest of the journey. Thank you for journeying mercies thus far. Oh, when it wet, it still look pretty, you know?
Is it one game?
This is where we're going. We're going home now, but we drive a different direction. We drive St. Mary instead of... No, instead of by the toll. Where you over there? Still at Junction Road?
Junction Road.
This feels like we're not today in Jamaica again.
How are you doing?
From one nice road, dry, to this hillside, rocky and wet.
South American.
Yeah, we don't want Amazon country. They're not Amazon, but cars can come.
Auntie's back again.
When you're in the country and you're hungry, no fast food not nearby. You have to stop and buy banana.
Molas is that? You don't know honey?
Honey?
Honey, no.
Oh my gosh, yes. Please.
What is molasses? Oh,
Seriously?
Tapioca. You know how much time we say we're gonna go for there? I know we can't reach. From different youth group trips. Till we stop over there one time to see how it would be like.
How much of that? 3,000?
Ginger with cinnamon. You want honey with ginger with cinnamon?
No, there's a honey.
You don't have pure honey. You don't have just honey alone. Oh, alright. No You have pure honey? Oh, alright, thanks. I won't. What's happening to the bees? We're still on Junction Street, right? It's coming this long. Stretch long. It will not slow down for me. OFC. Almost every school trip. You stop right there, so at OFC.
OFC.
It means Oriental Fried Chicken. Everybody save their money. Stop there, so. Yeah, the highway make you miss out all of them stops there, don't you?
I want a vehicle to make it can't probably support us. We can't go and stop. Can we go and stop this all and wouldn't stop? That is no stop on park.
No, we're afraid to park. The road is done small and narrow and rain while we're up on the junction.
It's a bit when rain fall and go have water here.
Yeah?
No, but when the actual weather report, when she actual weather report, number air.
It says 40% in Ochoas.
Them place a rainfall or rain some kind of whole country in a drought.
Portland, yes, it's lush and pretty because it gets so much rain.
Same thing with that, sir.
I can see it, it's very green.
So the rain just watering every single plant up there.
You know who now that drive on them road there? Take a guess, Shamal. Who you think now gonna drive on the road there? No man, when you get more experience when you drive on the road there. Auntie Marvet. Marvet I gotta turn the corner and let go the wheel.
I don't think you have to have a drive.
I don't know if it's open now.
You want to send me
Castleton Gardens there. Just so you check.
what an office town, city town, which is the sound of
No, I guess to approach it.
no, traffic on the same angle.
The Castleton Gardens still in St. Mary.
Yeah.
I need to learn my geography.
Yeah, what is some bigger song?
No.
Recently, we heard this song. This one, something that recent display.
It's like Castleton Basic School. Castleton Health Center.
Police station.
The police station. Over here is Castleton Gardens. We've had several trips over there. Nice river on this side where these cars are parked. Oh, And over here is the garden. Nice lush walled garden.
But I'm not choosing to pass me right there, so.
Oh my.
I want to steal it.
This stretch of the road is not for the faint of heart at all. Or for the inexperienced drivers. Welcome to St. Andrew.
West Rural St. Andrews.
West Rural St. Andrews. Storms River, 7th Gen Adventist. So what for them sign looks so? Oh. Junction, see? Off the junction.
Yes.
Okay. So this is where we're going to leave you guys. Thank you for driving with us on the junction road. With purr and careful driving. We made it this far. We're going to make another stop before heading home to some of his, Mr. Edwards' family, and we're not taking you there with us. So keep safe, and until next time, see you in my next video.
Stressing from both left and right. You need a daily dose of blessing right up in your life. I know it feels so very difficult and depressing, but you gotta hold on to the positive and keep on pressing. The blessing, you know, if you need it, then you can't stop. We keep rising.